If you want to set a live wallpaper on the Motorola Moto G87, what you can do is, first of all, you can open settings. Now over here in settings, we should be able to go to personalize over here. Then you can tap on your lock screen to be able to change the wallpaper. And if you're looking for a live wallpaper, you can, for example, go to dynamic. And over here, you should be able to find a couple of example wallpapers that are animated in some way. So for example, I'm going to use this wallpaper over here. I'm going to show you how it looks like. And many of them actually do have some sort of animation. So if you like one of them, then that's great. You can, of course, use them on your phone. There we go. So let's tap on this one. Here we can see we have the animation, so we can tap on set wallpaper. I'm going to set it for both lock screen and home screen. And there we go, we have our animated wallpaper. But in case you don't like this wallpaper, or you don't like any of these wallpapers that we have available in there, then what you can do is you can download a third-party app that allows you to set a live or animated wallpaper. So we can just go to the Play Store, use the search option, and then we can search for something like animated wallpapers or video wallpapers or something like that. There we go, and as you can see, we have many example apps that, at least in theory, should allow you to get animated wallpapers. So in my case, I'm going to use Zedge. I'm going to install it, and I'm going to show you how to set it up and how to find an animated wallpaper. But feel free to try any other app in case you don't like this one over here. I think it has the biggest library available right now, so I'm pretty sure you can find something for yourself over there as well. And once the app is installed, you want to open it. So let's go ahead and do so. You might see some ads in the meantime while using the app, but that is fine. In fact, we can watch ads in order to get these wallpapers for free, at least most of them. So we're going to tap on accept and continue, and then accept over here. You don't have to agree to receive notifications, so we can tap on not now, and then we can close this premium offer by tapping on this X in the upper right corner. Now we can switch to video wallpapers at the top, and here we have a couple of different categories and examples, so you should be able to try to find something in here. In my case, I'm just gonna go to this category that I just found, and let's see if we can find something for ourselves. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one. Let's see how the animation looks like. And if you like the animation, you can just tap on this purple button to download the wallpaper. And here we have two options. You can either watch an ad and get the wallpaper for free, or you can use credits, and we get 10 credits once you install the app. So pretty much the first wallpaper is completely for free. So in my case, I'm just going to use credits to quickly get the app, to get the wallpaper. But feel free to watch an ad as well. Then you should be able to choose to set video wallpaper over here. And then we're going to tap on set wallpaper. Then we can choose it to set it to the home screen, lock screen, or both. I'm going to set it to both again. And there we go, we have our animated wallpaper. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.